Welcome to the shadowed corners of the mythic world, where stories whisper across continents and centuries, and ancient heroes, long separate by space and time, seem to mirror each other like echoes in a dark cave. This is part one of a three-part journey, a meditation, a reflection on two giants of myth, Gilgamesh, the king of Uruk, and Wukong, the monkey king of China. Were they truly so different? Or do their stories reveal something deeper? A shared pattern, a cultural transmission, or even a timeless archetype? In this part, we delved into their origins and how these births are more than beginnings. They are blueprints for their destinies. Chapter 1: Kings Born of Heaven and Earth. To understand any mythic journey, we must begin with birth. But birth in mythology is never just biological, it is cosmological. A hero's origin is the soil from which their destiny grows. And in the case of Gilgamesh and Wukong, these origins are not simply strange. They are sacred contradictions. They are beings not fully of this world, but also not fully apart from it, half in, half out. They are thresholds creatures. Let us begin in the ancient city of Uruk. Gilgamesh, 2/3 divine, 1/3 human. In Mesopotamian myth, Gilgamesh is introduced not merely as a king, but as a colossus. He is described in the terms of architectural grandeur. He built the walls of Uruk, a work unequaled by any other city. But then comes a line that has puzzled translators and mythologists alike. Gilgamesh, 2/3 divine and 1/3 human. This is not mathematically possible, and it's not meant to be. This strange ratio is a mythic signal, a way of expressing that Gilgamesh is neither fully God nor fully man, a liminal being torn between two orders of existence. Some scholars suggest this strange fraction reflects an older oral tradition, perhaps combining two different genealogical claims, one that names him as the son of Ninsun, a minor goddess, and another that grounds him a royal human lineage. Others see it as a statement about internal conflict, the divine will to transcend, trapped in the human fear of death. Gilgamesh is more than strong. He is existentially split, and this makes him human in the deepest way, not by flesh, but by limitation. Wukong, born from stone, forged by heaven. Now let us travel across deserts and mountains to a lush place unlike Uruk's arid clay, a place called the Mountain of Flowers and Fruit. Here, Son Wukong is not born, he erupts, not from a womb, but from a primordial stone egg, shaped over eons by the 5 elements: metal, wood, water, fire, and earth, and crucially, by the essence of heaven and earth. This is not just poetic imagery, it is alchemy. In Chinese Taoist thought, the true transformation occurs when yin and yang, heaven and earth, fire and water, combine and balance. Wukong is that cosmic product. He is not born into society. He is born outside of karma, outside of caste, outside of culture. This is crucial because unlike Gilgamesh, who is born into kingship, Wukong must seize his place in the universe. From the moment of his emergence, he is restless, he bows to no one, he declares himself equal to heaven. But all this begins in a crack of stone, a scream of life from the body of the world itself.